Hey guys, Alana here, founder of Pearl Beauty, and today I'm going to show you how to do a sultry, sexy eye for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be using Pearl Beauty's most recent launch, the Core 4 Spotlights. These are stunning. There's 4 different shades. We have pearl, gold, rose gold, and copper. Super pigmented, long wearing, and very easy to apply. You don't need to brush at all. I'm just going to use my finger for them. So let's get started. I'm going to take the shade Copper, which is the darkest shade out of the Core 4 collection. It's a beautiful, gorgeous burgundy copper shade, and it is high impact, super pigmented. Let's pop it on. I'm going to use my pinky for ultimate precision. You do not need a brush with these because look at that pigment. I'm going to start really close to my inner eye area, but not all the way, and start patting it on, making sure it's only on the eyelid, no higher. That is Copper in all her glory. I'm going to take a clean finger. So we've used our pinky. I'm going to take the ring finger and just soften out the edges. You can see how easy that is for application. We're gonna put a different shade in the inner corner, but let's do the other eye first. For the inner corner pop, I'm gonna take the shade Rose Gold just because I think it complements the copper and that pinky Valentine's kind of look that we're going for. Again, I'm gonna use my pinky for ultimate precision and go right into my inner corner. I've added some mascara, liquid liner, and a little bit of a punchier burgundy liner in my waterline. You can see how 2 shades really can transform and create a sexy and sultry eye look. There's no extensive blending, no 500 colors to work with. 2 colors, a couple fingers, and you have a really nice eye look. Let's put some lips on. I've outlined my lips with a nice punchy mauve berry lip liner. I'm gonna take 2 of the Pearl Beauty multi-purpose sticks in Put Together and Girl Next Door. I'm also gonna take a little bit on my finger and add a little bit to the apples of my cheek just to bring it together. I love how this turned out. Super easy and simple, but it really elevates your makeup. Those 2 colors on the eyes, the 2 colors on the lips, and a little bit on the cheeks. You have a really sweet, sexy, and sultry Valentine's Day makeup look. Don't forget to check out all the products listed below and enjoy your Valentine's Day no matter what it looks like.